Let the kitty lick you. You be a good boy. You let her clean you. And you get too excited. You get too excited, you. See? She's hanging out. Hi. Look at you. See? That's nice. See? Isn't that nice? Yeah. Buddy. Now you two are gonna go play, huh? Buddy didn't want to go out today with me, babe, so I had your kid take him out. And, I guess he went with your kid willingly. And went poop. So that solved our problem. Or mine worrying about his pooping habits.